Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience for manual testers as well as for automation engineers. So before we go on that, let me tell you about a live webinar which we are going to do on the upcoming Saturday, that is on 18th of July. So in this webinar, you will be told about the latest tech stack that is there in the market, how to use agentic AI plus Playwright to get better jobs in 2026. Most of you are trying to get jobs, but you're not getting calls from the companies. So this webinar is for you, and it is absolutely free, of course. We are not going to charge anything for this webinar. You just have to sign up on the link I'll be sharing in the comment section of the video, and you have to enroll for the same. Plus, the bonus resources would be given to you. That would be the added advantage with respect to the webinar. So in the webinar, we are going to tell you the live, what all things are happening with respect to the testing industry in the market today. And the bonus resources on interview questions and answers would be shared with you. Okay. Now, the very first company which is hiring is Amazon. So Amazon is hiring for QA and they are looking for testers. And here's the link to apply, and they are looking for somebody who has got 6+ years of experience in the field of testing. So if you have got 6+ years of experience, you can apply for this particular job opportunity. And 4+ years in delivering test frameworks, test tools, leading the QA projects, initiatives, experience in automation testing, all these things are required with respect to the job opportunity at Amazon, right? Then they are also looking for somebody who has got the knowledge of one of the modern object-oriented programming language such as Java, Objective-C, then C++, TypeScript, all these languages. See, these days, if you want to get a job, so as an automation tester, it is must that you should have the knowledge of scripting languages. And for agentic AI, it is very important. You would be able to do these things very easily if you use agentic AI with the scripting language. It is very easy, right? The next job opportunity is for a test engineer, Playwright plus Selenium. It's a contract to hire role. Location is Hyderabad, Chennai, and Kolkata. So first they'll hire you on the contractual basis, and then if your performance is good, then you'll be selected on the permanent role. And the required skill set is Playwright, Selenium, performance testing, Java, and they are looking for SQL and database testing, Git, Jenkins, Maven, Jira, data-driven testing. 4 to 6 years of experience in automation testing is required. Strong expertise in designing and developing automation frameworks from scratch using Java. So if you're interested, you can share your updated resume to this email address. Then there's a requirement for quality engineering professionals. 5 to 10 years of experience is required, and they are looking for somebody who has got expertise in API testing, ETL testing, Java, Selenium, Playwright, Python, mobile testing, performance testing, SAP, Oracle, Workday. So these are all the requirements, and this is the email address wherein you can apply. Then Birlasoft company is hiring for manual testers, 3 to 7 years of experience. Location is Bangalore. Role is manual testing, and skill set required is manual testing, API testing, Postman, REST, SQL, Jira, Azure DevOps, SDLC, SDLC, Agile. So you can apply to these links. Then there's a requirement for senior SDET automation test lead, 7+ years of experience is required. And they are expecting you to maintain CI/CD pipelines, comprehensive test reporting. Required technical skill set is Playwright with TypeScript, web and API automation, robot framework, APM, right? So these days, if you will see, the demand for the Playwright is increasing day by day. Many of the companies are looking for the skill set in the Playwright. Plus, they are also looking for somebody who can work on the agents, work on the agentic AI, right? That is also very important. So a lot of expectations are there in the market with respect to the Playwright. And the expectations are there because the Playwright has got more benefits, more advantages compared to the Selenium legacy automation tools, right? And it can be used for web as well as for API as well as for mobile, right? All the three things. So apart from that, you will have robot framework plus APM, REST API testing, OAuth, JWT, schema validation, browser stack headspin, AI augmented testing, and human in the loop test governance. So all these things are required. So you can share your updated resume to this email address. Let me show you more opportunities in line. So, right. Then this is a remote job opportunity. So, can let me share the details. So this is a remote job opportunity for quality assurance executive, and they are looking for somebody who can work 100% report full time, and responsibilities are given. And you need to apply, you need to send your resume to this particular email address, and you should have relevant work experience in QA, good understanding of testing methodologies, strong attention to detail, good communication skills, problem solving mindset. They haven't mentioned what number of years, but it's a mid level of opportunity that you can apply, right? So that's one more opportunity for QA, right? Fine. And last but not the least, again, I'd like to inform you, I'd like to invite you for registering to this particular webinar, which would be on 18th of July, 11 a.m. IST. So this free webinar, which you can attend, and you can get a lot of advantages, a lot of insight with respect to the job opportunities in the market. What are the expectations and what are they looking for, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this, and stay tuned for more updates.